Hi, today I want to show you a website called Blubberize. You want to start with clicking on Make, and then you choose a picture, then Browse. Then you could choose any picture you like that you want to make it talk, and then you start with this arrow and you place the mouth. You want to place it where it starts and where you want it to go. If it opens, then you want to show the opening of the mouth. So the mouth can go up to here, and that should be fine. Then you want to click on Next, and then what kind of a sound? Microphone or something you've recorded already. So let's click on the microphone. Allow. Hello, today I want to show you a new website called Blubberize. Enjoy. Stop. Play. Next. You can listen to it. After you listen to it, you click OK, and then you save. You have to fill in all the information. Hello, this is an introduction, and the tags. Hello. Save. And then in order to send it to the teacher, you click on Share. And then students need to send you this link. And of course, they need to have an account first. So that's the first thing you want to do is create an account. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!